Understand the quality and performance of your live 5G new radio network with Keysight's Nemo solutions. The deployment of 5G new radio will open doors to new business models, players, and revenue streams in the ecosystem. Both the end users and industry customers have set high expectations for 5G. To ensure 5G delivers on its promise, mobile network operators and network vendors need to adopt a proactive network testing strategy. Keysight provides handheld and drive test measurement solutions for all possible 5G use cases. With Nemo Handy, 5G measurements can be performed in numerous ways. For example, by mounting the test device on a drone, making it possible to measure both horizontal and vertical alignment of 5G beams. Nemo Handy is highly suitable for performing measurements in key places where you may have challenges in network performance, like stadiums, universities, malls, or mission-critical locations. In addition to offering a rich variety of real-time displays with a wide range of KPIs, all RF and signaling data is logged. With Nemo Handy, you can ensure that the end users receive the quality of service and quality of experience they require. With Keysight's 5G field testing and analytics solution, you will gain deep insight into your network performance and coverage with relevant KPIs. Measurements can be performed from the end user perspective using the latest 5G devices. Nemo Outdoor 5G drive test solution is ideal for performing beam and massive MIMO drive tests and field measurements. The solution combines Nemo Outdoor with the latest 5G flagship devices and third-party scanning receivers. The solution comes with the industry's most extensive selection of 5G KPIs and quality of service parameters. When paired with Nemo Intelligent Device Interface, Nemo Outdoor offers a revolutionary 5G benchmarking solution. Keysight's 3D visualizer feature in Nemo Analyze displays 5G beams in a 3D environment to view which real-world elements are blocking the signal and degrading the network quality. The beams in the test route are color-coded based on the selected KPI so that you can quickly spot problem areas on the map. Keysight Technologies, transforming 5G from concept into reality. For more information, contact nemo.info@keysight.com.